If you open Capcut and feel confused, don't close the app yet. Because Capcut is not actually complicated, it only looks complicated at the beginning. The real problem is this. Most beginners start in the wrong place, and that's why their edits look messy. In the next few minutes, I'm going to fix that and show you the exact workflow used to create clean, professional mobile edits. Open Capcut. Tap New Project. Select your clip. Tap Add. Now stop. Look at the screen carefully. Capcut is built on only 3 zones. The top section is the player. This is just your preview. The middle is the timeline. This is where all editing happens. This white line in the center is the playhead. Whatever it touches is exactly what appears on screen. The bottom is the toolbar. This contains all tools like text, audio, overlays, captions, and effects. If you understand these 3 zones, you understand Capcut. Now zoom into the timeline using 2 fingers. Place the playhead where your video should start. Tap Edit, the scissors icon. Tap Split. Now your clip is divided. Select the unwanted part. Tap Delete. This removes silence, mistakes, and unnecessary footage. Clean editing always starts here. Now let's add overlays. This is where most beginners get confused. After editing tools, the toolbar disappears, but nothing is broken. Look bottom left, tap the back arrow. If it doesn't return, tap again. Now everything is back. Tap Overlay, then Add Overlay. Select any clip or image. Capcut places it as a new layer. Now stretch it to fill the screen. Overlays are what make videos feel dynamic instead of static. Now go back. Tap Text. Tap Auto Captions. Select Original Sound. Tap Start. Capcut automatically generates captions based on your voice. Tap any caption. Go to Style. Change fonts, outlines, or colors. One change applies to all captions automatically. Captions are one of the strongest retention tools in editing. Now go back, tap Audio, add music or sound effects. Select a track and add it. Now listen carefully. Most beginners make this mistake. The music is too loud. Tap the audio track. Go to volume. Lower it to 10 to 15. If the viewer notices the music, it is too loud. Audio should support the video, not overpower it. Now export your video. Tap Export Settings at the top right. Set resolution to 720p for free version. Set frame rate to 30 FPS for normal videos or 60 FPS for smoother motion. Tap Export. Wait for rendering to finish. And that's it. You've completed a full mobile editing workflow. Capcut is no longer confusing. It is now a system you understand. Now go create your next video.